Yeah. Hi, I'm Holly with an I-E. Yeah. Okay, point to the video. Making one at the moment. I watched Smithy's feat because it got featured the show, and I thought that's nice, isn't it? Got featured. And I would be really upset about these nasty comments that people have been giving me, but I'm not. I mean, you definitely know you've made it on YouTube when arseholes give you rude comments while they're wasting their time with rude comments. I've even printed some off to read to you because I think they're really funny. And if you're watching this and your comment comes up, count yourself grateful, because can I say, it takes a true work of art to actually make these comments up and actually deliver them with such poison grace like you did. Okay, right. First one, I can't even pronounce it. Outlaw. Whatever. Hollie with a Y is ginger. Do I look ginger to you, fucking retard? No. Okay, next one. It's getting funnier. Switch. I think it's Switch. SWI7CH. This is a nice one. Lol at Hollie's, with a Y again. Hollie's face when she says she's a chav, when she was a chav. That was a quite nice one. I thought I might as well put that in, you know. Right, Ash there for killer. I haven't been through these names. Ash there for killer. Something like that. Right, like most girls, chavs. Like most chav girls, they are not good looking. Thanks. You really know how to boost someone's self-esteem, don't you? God. Imagine you getting married, couldn't you? Do you take your beautiful, she's fucking ugly. Lovely, you're so lovely. Hope you get married one day and fall off a cliff. Right. Diffused light. Good name. Hi, this is supposed to be me, so I'll be me, right? Hi, my name's Hollie with a Y. I ain't a chav no more. Sure. Lol. Okay, thank you for that. Okay, I've even gone up market with these ones. I've printed them off because I couldn't be bothered to write them anymore. And this one's a long one. This is my favourite comment, so thank you, Warship Angelus, if that's your name. Okay. Okay, I think she's American or he's American. Okay, I do an American accent. Really? Was that English girl a lesbian? Funny. Okay. She seems to come off as one when she says chav. I thought she mentioned that she used to be a dude. What the fuck are you talking about? But then I looked up chav. Well done, you know how to read. To find out it's English slang term for American poser. Now she comes off as being kind of a lesbian. She's just contradicted herself. What an arsehole. Maybe she should stick to just being a chav instead. Maybe you should stick to being a nice person and not an arsehole. I'm just saying, for no wonder underworld of YouTube. Hi Polly. Polly? Hi Polly, you want sex? Maybe. Yeah, that was it really. Thank you for the rude comments. You got other rude comments? Don't hesitate to give them to me. Because as you can tell, you can say anything to me. Like, you could call me a fucked up retard and my mum's in a mental institution and I couldn't give a shit because I don't know you and you don't know me. So why are you judging me, you fucking dickheads? Okay? Thanks for the comments though, they mean a lot. Peace. And I ain't trying to be black. Okay? Because many people say that. You know, when you do this. No, we're American people. We are not trying to be like you. That got on my nerves as well. Why would we want to be like you? I don't want to sound like that. Now I'm coming across as real arrogant and an arsehole. Sorry about that. I do like Americans. My my Auntie Julie's girlfriend is a lesbian. Of course, is American, sorry. Okay, thank you for the comments. Any more comments, nice comments would be appreciated. But nasty ones, also appreciated. Thank you very much, and yeah, thank you. I have a boyfriend.